Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Cooking Horizon by Tess. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious grilled barbecue chicken on a gas grill. Watch till the end for a detailed recipe with tips. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you. Now let's get to the recipe. To begin with, you need 6 pieces of chicken leg quarters. I prefer skinless, washed and cleaned. Then, in 1500 milliliters of water, add a generous amount of salt. Stir to dissolve. I'm going to brine the chicken pieces in this solution. Put the chicken pieces one at a time very gently into the solution to avoid spilling. Make sure each piece is completely soaked. Now cover and chill for at least 2 hours or overnight. I'm choosing to do overnight. About 30 minutes prior to grilling, take the chicken out. Drain the water solution. Now pat dry the chicken pieces using paper towels. Arrange them on top of a baking sheet in preparation for seasoning. First of all, season with some salt. I'm using ground sea salt. Next, season with some fresh ground black pepper. And then some onion powder. Using onion powder is optional, but this definitely adds a very good flavor. Flip the chicken pieces over and season with the very same ingredients. Season very generously. Please check the description box below for the list of ingredients and any necessary notes on the recipe. Before preheating your grill, spray with some olive oil cooking spray. Preheat the gas grill to high, that is at the least 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Now lay the chicken pieces on top of the right-hand side burners of the grill. Cover and let them sear over direct heat for 4 minutes. Cooking time might slightly vary depending on the grill. 4 minutes later, uncover and turn the chicken pieces so the other side can sear. Cover and sear for 4 minutes. About 4 minutes later, uncover, turn the chicken pieces. Leave only the left-hand side burner on and turn off the middle and the right-hand side burners. Cook covered over indirect heat, which is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, uncover and turn the chicken pieces. You could choose to rotate the chicken pieces since the back is slightly warmer. Cover and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to get the sauce ready. Heat a small pot over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter and turn the heat to medium-low. Make sure that the butter doesn't burn. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic without the skin. Stir as necessary to prevent the butter or the garlic from burning. I'm going to use about 1 1/4 cups of sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce. You may choose to use your choice of store-bought barbecue sauce. Add half a teaspoon of Sriracha Hot Chili sauce and a 1/4 teaspoon of yellow mustard sauce. Stir to mix everything. Let the sauce simmer on medium-low. Do not reduce. Once the sauce gets warm, remove from heat. Now baste the chicken with the prepared sauce. Cover and cook for 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, uncover, turn the chicken pieces. Baste this side of the chicken pieces with the sauce. Cover and cook for 12 minutes. 12 minutes later, uncover, turn the switched off burners on. Now cook on direct heat for 2 minutes each side. This process would char the chicken a bit. This will make it taste all the more great. Once again, the list of ingredients and any necessary notes on the recipe are available in the description box below. So in a little over 1 hour, the chicken is perfectly grilled with juicy and tender meat. Try this recipe and let me know how it comes out. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for instant notifications every time I upload a video, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.